Hello friends, today I'll show assembly of a bicycle using SolidWorks. All the parts have already been modeled using SolidWorks. Today we'll show only the assembly part. Okay, then let's get started. Starting from assembly. Okay, parts have already been modeled, so we have to drag it down or we have to browse of different parts. We can take the first of all, we can take the frame. This is the frame. This one will be fixed. Next part, we can take the handle. Insert component. Handle. We have taken the handle here, right? Okay. This to be assembled here right now. So what can you do is this part should be going inside this one. So it should be made definitely first. This cylindrical portion will be going inside this part. Okay. It is concentric. Green check. Now it is free to rotate inside this one. That to be fixed, right? How can it be? We have to select this portion should be matching with this portion. So make it bigger a little bit for proper selection. Select this portion should be matching with this portion. So make it little bigger for better selection. This flat surface is concentric, done. So this is assembled, right? This one can rotate freely. The first handle is assembled, right? Okay. Next part, we have to bring that front wheel. This is green check, done. Again, insert component. We have to select the front wheel. When front wheel, it has come here. Let the parts be bigger for better selection. We have to select this cylindrical portion should be meeting with the central axis of this wheel, right? You can select any cylindrical portion. It should be concentric. Those two will be in the same axis, right? It can move, but this will be the same axis. Next one, you have to go to advanced mats with let's make the size bigger for better selection. This one and that one, in between this one will be inserted. So again, make it bigger a little bit. This one and the outer face of this one. Let make it bigger. Done. So it is assembled inside. Green check. You can see it is perfect from the front side. If you make it big, you can see perfectly. It's done perfectly, right? Okay. Now in between this one pin should be inserted, right? That should be inserted again. So green check, this part is done already. Next one, we have to take the pin. Insert component. We take the pin. Okay. Actually, we need to have two numbers of pins, at the front side one and the back side also one. So we will have to make a copy of this one, right? We'll copy by control this one. A copy has already been made. Now this one we have to insert inside this one, right? So make this one, let the size be bigger little bit. Inside this one, it will go. Green check. It is gone already, but it is not perfect. We can make it little bit outside also. That is not an issue. Now to fix it, advancement. From advancement, can select the width, this edge and the other edge. It's done. Perfect. Now you can see from this side, the pin is inserted here itself. From both sides you can check it is perfect. Now the back wheel to be inserted here, right? Green check. Insert components, wheel, open. We have to rotate this one because this pocket assembly should be at the back side. So we'll rotate this one, move component, rotate component, done. Now mate, this one should be aligned with this hole, so we'll make it a little bit bigger. It is concentric, done. Now advancement, width, select this one and this one, and it should be aligned with the this edge and the opposite edge. It is done. You can see here itself from the back side, you can see it is done perfectly, right? Now the pin should be inserted here itself. Okay, this assembly is okay. Green check. Now again mate, this is green check. Now again mate, this pin should be inserted here itself. So concentric, green check, can make it a little bit outside, then we can apply advancement, width, Done. Green check. So it is perfect. You can see from both sides the pin is inserted, right? Done. Next one, we have to insert another part. That means we can say that seat, right? Insert component, seat. It has come here. Now mate, select this part that should be inserted inside this hole. Concentric, green check. Next one, the distance between them should be set. This one should be having some specific distance from this edge. Let's say the distance equal to 90 millimeter. Green check. Seat is already arranged. Now the thing is, seat can rotate. We have to fix the rotation of this one, right? This is green check. Now we have to fix the rotation of the seat to be fixed. Our front plane of this one should be meeting with front plane of the whole assembly or any other part. Let's select the front plane of the complete assembly. By control, we can select both of them together. Mate. Green check. So this is fixed. Green check. You can see this will not rotate. Done. Next one, we have to insert that. Here is this one, that is sprocket and pedal assembly. So insert component, sprocket, pedal link. Met. This cylindrical portion should be going inside this hole. This concentric, green check. Next one, this face should be meeting with that opposite face. Green check. Done. You can see this one will be rotating, right? Even you can see others also, wheels, all the wheels are also rotating, right? This one also will be rotating. Again, this wheel also can rotate. Okay, fine. Next one, here at this assembly we have to insert that pedal, right? This is green check. Now insert component. We have to insert that pedal component. This is here. You can rotate this pedal. Okay, right. Okay. Next one, mate. Mate. this cylindrical portion should be met with this hole. It's concentric. Next one, this surface should be meeting with this slotted end. It's concentric. Again check. It is done. It can rotate also, right? Okay, fine. Another paddle is required, so we can do it by control and drag. We can rotate this paddle again. Okay, fine. So met. Starting with met. This cylindrical portion will go inside this circular portion. Green check. Done. We can slide it a little bit. We can make it yes. We can move a little bit. Sliding is possible. Next one, we have to align this edge with the front edge of this one. Concentric. Done. It's perfect, right? Let's see. It is rotating nicely, right? Okay. One thing is remaining here again. That's chain. Normal chain assembly is to be fixed over this end, right? So this part is done. Green check. Insert component. Select the chain. Open. It has come here. Now the things chain should be inserted at the back side only, right? So better to take it here. You can drag it a little bit this side. Okay. It should be rotated. So move component, rotate component. Okay. First of all, the axis of this one, the path of this one should be aligned with the path of this one, right? So we have to select the path of this one. How can you select it? Select this one. This is the chain. So you can see the history of the chain. From the history, you can see the drawing also. You can see the drawing. Curve is there, right? This curve we have to select. Now starting with met. select this curve, should be aligned with the curve of this one. It is done. Concentric. Now the distance from here to here we have to make it 0 or concentric. So select these edges and the edge of this one should be concentric. Concentric, then check. Next one we have to apply advancement. This one we can move it a little bit down also. Apply advancements with this curve. Select this curve. This part is green check. Now we're selecting width of this one. Advancement width, and here also this width should be made with width of this one, and this moving. By the same time, you can see whether this moving or not. This is fixed. We can make this line hidden. Okay, so our assembly is perfect, right? This is the complete assembly of the bicycle. If you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.